Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2019 F-350 Lariat in magnetic with black leather interior, seating for 4 doors, and a 6.5-foot box. This has a 6.7 liter turbo Power Stroke diesel engine, and it's a V8. It's also a 4x4, and it has an FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, the ultimate Lariat package, as well as navigation and chrome package, which gives you chrome grille, bumper, and handles, power deployed running boards, navigation, and more. Check us out online at www.islandford.ca, and if you'd like to come out for a test drive, come and see us. Our salespeople will be happy to take you out. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. You also have power folding mirrors and power extending mirrors. There's memory for 3 drivers. Your driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and as well you've got your brake release located here, tailgate release, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, grab handle in the body, as well as power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, with adaptive cruise control, media with volume, as well as sync voice activated system. This is a push start, so the key's in my pocket, foot's on the brake, and we're going to push the engine start stop button. Starts up smoothly, and on your dash you're going to have a menu that you can toggle through. So we start off with My View, Trip Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, and Settings, and these all have sub-menus. You also have an automatic select shifter with tow haul, and when you press this it'll appear to the left, and then press it again and off it goes. In the center you're seeing the badging for the B&O premium audio system, as well as a little bin to put things, exhaust brake, traction control, hazard lights, hill descent, and then you're seeing your display here, and you've got a heated steering wheel. You also have heated and cooled seats. As well, you can go into your audio and go into sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You've also got navigation, and this is where you're going to see your backup camera view when we put the vehicle in reverse. In your settings, you can slide through for different options like Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, and as well ambient lighting. Down below is your volume and tuner, and you also have your climate control, dual climate control for both driver and passenger, as well as heated and cooled seats. You also have AC and max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, and an integrated trailer brake controller. Down below in the cubby, a couple of USB outlets, and if you want to close that right up, simply push in the center. Quite simple. There's a bin here, as well as a couple of cup holders, and you're seeing that light in the bottom there. That's your ambient lighting. Your armrest opens up, and inside there's a nice little bin. You can take that out. More storage down below, and you also have a 12-volt outlet. Off to the side is a 12-volt and a 110 outlet. 2 glove compartments, the lower one being locking. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror. There's your lighting controls and sunglass holder. You also have your universal garage door opener, upfitter switches, as well the power sliding rear window. And then when you want to open up your sunroof, simply push the button, and some nice fresh air, and hopefully blue skies. 20-inch wheels, power deployed running boards, chrome door handle with intelligent access, meaning when the fob is in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. You also have keyless entry keypad, driver's side fuel cap. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable, and your backup camera is just above that handle. You also have backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you want to open up that tailgate, you can do it from inside, or you can double click your fob, and then it powers it down for you. There's that nice spray-in liner in this box with tie downs, as well as box link. You also have a tailgate step, and that makes it easier to get in. On your fob, you have remote start, so when your vehicle's locked, you can actually double click that, get in, and then just push the pedal to go. As well, you can lock it up, walk away, or you can jump in and head out on your latest adventure. The speaker in the door, as well as that nice inlay, and you have power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. I've released the tab just to make it easier for me to lift it up, and then it just goes in the upright position. And on the floor, there's a collapsible, lockable bin. And then when you want to bring the seat down again, pull the tab, down it goes. In the center, you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders. There's an all-weather mat that goes from side to side, an extra carpeted mat. mats, slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage, and in the center there you're seeing a couple of cup holders as well as the buttons for the heated seats in the rear, 12 volt, 110 and USB outlets. In the body there's a grab handle up above, hooks, handles, lighting, as well as that panoramic view, and in the back access to a power sliding window. Bumper, dual exhaust, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors with power scope telescoping trailer tow mirrors, as well as blind spot information system, LED headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.